Hello people, welcome back to our channel Tutorials Point. For an interesting update and proper guidance on web and technology, we are always here. And to do the justice or to help you yet again, today we are going to learn about how to change your Snapchat password. Be it you want to change your password, either you like it or you don't, you simply do have a choice to change it, right? And since Snapchat is a hub, like always, we are here to help you yet again. So to change your Snapchat password, first of all, you need to have a Snapchat app on your phone, which you can simply get through Play Store or App Store. And since you can already see that I do have Snapchat app right on my phone, I'm going to click on the open option right over here. After this, you can see two of the options are with this yellow screen right over here on the mobile screen, that is login on the left side and sign up on the right. So simply we are going to log in to change our password. So for this, tap on the login option right over here. With a proper username or email right over here, you can insert your very old password that you really want to change. So I'm going to keep my password over here. After this, I'm going to click on the login option right over here. Now, when you're on this page, you can simply click on the profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After this, you can see the right, which is a setting option. Simply on the setting option, you can see lots of options over here. But simply we need the password option, which is right over here. And now simply Snapchat is offering us an option to provide our current password first. So I am going to keep my current password, which is the one that I'm very bored with, and I'm going to change it. So I have simply kept it over here. After this, I'm going to click on the continue option, which is present on the middle of our screen. After tapping on the continue option, we have got a very important option over here by Snapchat, that is putting our very new password that I want to keep. So I'm going to keep one of the password that I love. After this, I'm going to confirm my password so that Snapchat is going to give me a permission to use it yet again. Okay, simply we're over here and Snapchat even offers and accepts our very new password. After this, since you are satisfied with the new password, you can click on the save option. After clicking on the save option, you have got a very good news over here that your password has been updated. Okay people, your password has been finally changed. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and not to worry about any other problems related to web and tech, you can simply visit our channel and get help easily. And with this much for today, I hope to see you soon again in the next video for more and more help. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.